Today we're going to be changing out the license plate bulb on our 2016 Ford Explorer. You always have to have a light bulb on your license plate, and if you don't, they'll pull you over. So let's get started. What you'll need for this is a flathead screwdriver and some bulbs, which are 1/6/8. We'll put a link in the description for you so you can get these bulbs. Make sure your tailgate's at eye level so you can get this. So over here there is a tab. Just push the tab and pull it down gently. And you're done with your screwdriver. Pull this out and twist it and pull this out, just like that. Now, this is a straight bulb. You just pull it out. You don't twist, just pull out. It comes right in. And we'll get another bulb out of our pack. So we got our new bulb, and we're going to just push it in like that. And there's two tabs. There's a tab. See the two tabs where these tabs go in right there on the side. Put them in like that and twist it like that. And get it seated back up there. There you go. Let's give it a try. And that's how you change out your license plate bulbs on your 2016 Ford Explorer. Make sure you use gloves because you don't want to touch your bulb without gloves on. It'll diminish the life of the bulb. These are both the same on either side. Same technique for both. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.